everybody. I'm Draven, and this is my son,
Damien.
and this is my daughter,
Navi.
and today we are about to unbox another Grail, guys. Another Grail Funko Pop. Now, what is a Grail? A Grail is a Funko Pop that's rare, hard to get, and usually worth more than $75. We are going to unbox this.
At the end of the video.
You are correct, because this is the main course. But before we open and find out what this mystery box is that is a Grail, we are going to start off with some appetizers. You guys ready for some appetizers?
Yeah.
This is
Billy.
Billy. All right, look at the
Billy
box. It's beautiful. You can see Billy on there.
Billy.
It says Billy. That's the bottom. Top. And this is our boy Billy from the Jigsaw movie. You guys like horror movies?
Yeah.
And according to HobbyDB, this Funko Pop is worth $155. Whoa.
Dad.
So this is definitely a Grill. Yes, baby?
I have my own collection. Can I show it?
Oh, you have your own collection?
Yeah.
Of course, baby. What do you have?
I have a Wonder Woman Vinyl Vixen.
What? It's a Wonder Woman?
Yeah.
Wow, can we put it for everyone to see?
Yeah.
Look how beautiful this Wonder Woman is. Wow, beautiful. And what do you love about this Vinyl Vixen, baby?
I love everything about it.
You love everything? Are you a big DC fan like your daddy?
Yeah.
And is Wonder Woman one of your favorites?
Yeah.
Wow, so Wonder Woman and Harley Quinn are your top favorite DC characters?
Yeah.
Wow, this is a very beautiful collection you have, sweetie. You know what? I also love Wonder Woman. You want to see one of my Wonder Womans?
Yeah.
Look at mine. This is Wonder Woman. She is a Grail. A Wonder Woman chase. Beautiful. So let's take a look at the PPG for this, okay? According to HobbyDB, I do have the Wonder Woman metallic chase. I do not have the first edition. I actually have the second edition. And it is worth $150. PPGs for this Wonder Woman chase Funko Pop.
I did not
is
know
worth,
that.
Yep, $150. Here it is, guys.
It costs $150.
$150. Amazing.
That's amazing.
Look at that Wonder Woman and my daughter's Wonder Woman. Oh, yeah. And Damien, do you got something that you would like to show off to us?
And
Put that to the side. What do you have here?
Dark side.
What? It's a dark side? It's a soda? It's a Funko soda. Let's open it up. You got it. Here we go. Oh, what is in there? Oh, it's something in there. You want to show everyone what it is? Oh, I'll hold it for you, baby. It's a dark side. Dark side. Look. It's a limited edition. 1 out of 10,000, huh? Pretty cool. You open it up for us? Oh, yeah. What's it look like? Wow. Dark side. Hail Dark side. What do you think? You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Damien, you know Daddy has his own Dark Side Funko Pop.
Mm-hmm.
And I gotta show you right here. Look at this one. Oh. I got us right here. A Dark Side glow in the dark. This is incredible. This is a very rare piece. Alright, we got it on HobbyDB right here, guys. And according to HobbyDB, based on the Funko Pop that I have, it is worth a whopping $220. Holy moly.
Holy cow, that's a lot of money.
So between these 3 Funko Pops that we have here, how much is this? This is like almost $600 worth of Grails. Holy moly. These are Grails, guys, and we love it. Don't you guys love it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now,
it's time for the big box.
What'd you say, Damien?
The big box.
It's time for the what?
Big boy.
Oh, yeah. It's time to open up and reveal to everyone what is inside the big box. What is this other Grail that we are about to open? This is a Grail, guys. Let's see what's in this box.
I want this.
Okay. It's in a hard protector. Let's see what it is.
The heart protector.
Let's unwrap it.
I see it.
Let's unwrap it. And it is
No way. No way.
a Super Saiyan 2 glow in the dark GameStop exclusive Gohan. And you know this is great because I'm about to meet Stephanie Rinaldi next month. Guys, let us check the PPG on HobbyDB. $140. This is a Grail. I can't believe it. I have a Gohan. I have a Gohan in the house. Look at all these Grails we got, guys. Doesn't it look amazing?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
It's